When the snow lies on the hillside like the ghost of being born, and the wind makes praying fingers in the shadows of the thorns, there's someone I often think of, wishing somehow she'd return. Though I know she's in some city watching colored neons burn. In the still and silent midnight, thoughts unbidden come to mind. Shades of pictures in an album labeled those are better times. And the girl, she smiles so sweetly, sitting pretty in the frame, blowing out her penny candles, and I hear her call my name. And the lights of little Christmas shine so brightly in the west, saying, please come home, we miss you, we wish you all the best, we wish you all the best. Well, another winter marches across fields of frozen stone, and another little Christmas finds me quietly at home, till the telephone starts ringing and I go to take the call. Someone asking, do you know me, do you know this voice at all? Well, never in my lifetime could I be made to forget, and in a journey of 1,000 miles I'd remember every step. And yes, I know those sweet lips that are so close to that phone. Is she here, or is she in America home, or is she gone? And the lights of little Christmas shine so brightly in the west, saying, please come home, we miss you, we wish you all the best, we wish you all the best. She says, I just got into Shannon and I think I'm back to stay. You could come and pick me up down here, but there's a word you gotta say. Well, I barely put that phone down when the keys are in my hands, and each little light that I pass by says, right here's your promised land. And the lights of little Christmas shine so brightly in the west. Please come home, we miss you, we wish you all the best, we wish you all the best.